Hello students, before starting our next chapter, I want to tell you Vivekanand has said, Father gives us only this body, but the teacher gives us the way of salvation. And in this chapter, we are going to learn the relationship between teacher and students. Yes, dear students, today we are going to start the Browning version. It is a short extract from the play Browning version, which has been written by Terence Rattigan. It is one act play. The scene of the background you can see here, it shows, it makes it clear that we are going to study a play about the author. Before studying the chapter, we must know about the author. You can see here the picture, Terence Rattigan. This chapter has been written by Terence Rattigan. He was born on 10 June 1911, South Kensington, London, United Kingdom. And next is, he died on 30 November 1977, Hamilton, Bermuda. A British dramatist and screenwriter. He was one of the greatest British dramatists and screenwriter. He has got a lot of famous in this area. He was also given an award, Cannes Film Festival Award for Best Screenplay. I have already told you that he is one of the great screenwriters and playwrights. Title of the Browning version. It's very necessary to tell you about the title of the Browning version. The title of the Browning version is very significant because it associates with Robert Browning's translation of a Greek tragedy Agamemnon written by Aeschylus. Yes, you can see here the picture. I have given you picture. Actually, the Agamemnon, which is a Greek tragedy play. It was written by Aeschylus, Greek writer, Greek dramatist Aeschylus, and later it was translated by Browning, Robert Browning. That's why its name was given Browning, the Browning version. And next, you can see here the picture Agamemnon, which was written by Aeschylus. He was a Greek, old Greek writer. The theme of the chapter. Now, let's student know about the theme of the chapter. The Browning version conveys the idea that a good but unpopular teacher has to suffer a lot. Yes, students, I want to tell, due to strict behavior of the teacher, the students don't like the teacher. They are unpopular among the teacher. That's why they have to suffer a lot. A good but fastidious teacher is disliked by one and all. It means that a teacher is good, but he follows all rules and regulations. He is strict. He never does against the rules and regulations of the school or college. Such teachers are disliked by one and all. He has to pay a heavy price for his unpopularity. And the teacher had to suffer, had to pay a heavy price for his unpopularity. He is forced to retire. He is forced to retire without pension, means all the facilities were cancelled. He is sure to face a life of poverty and deprivation, means deficiency. He is compelled to pass a life of poverty and deprivation, means deficiency. The writer seems to suggest that one should be practical in life. If you are not practical, you are not flexible, means you should not be rigid. Rigid means you are just like a log or a stick which only breaks. It never bends. In the same way, we must be practical. We must not be rigid, hard and strict. One should not be only good but also flexible. Too much rigidity is useless. If you are too much rigid, okay, it will be useless. Harris is able but seems to be excessively rigid about rules and regulations of the schools and college. Now students, next the characters of the play. Here first character is a Taplo, who is a 16 years old boy who studies in the lower 5th standard, and next character is Mr. Frank. Mr. Frank is a young science teacher who teaches in a public school. Next character is Mr. Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris is a middle-aged person, and we don't see, if after reading this chapter you will get that we don't see Mr. Crocker Harris in the whole chapter, but we get to know a lot about him. Means we will not find Crocker Harris in the chapter, okay, but we come to know a lot of about him through a discussion between two characters. Next character is Miss Millie Crocker Harris, means late 30s. She, you can see here the picture I have given you. She looks young, means the late 30s, and she is different from other wives of the teachers in the school. And next is Taplo's meeting with Frank. Now the chapter starts from here. What happens, student? The scene happens in the public school, and Taplo, who was given extra work to do after school hours by Mr. Crocker Harris, who was a strict teacher. You can see here, when he was waiting, suddenly Mr. Frank, who is a science teacher, comes there and meets Taplo. Taplo arrives to do extra work on Harris's call. Harris calls him to do extra work after the school's hour because he did not attend one day school in the last week. So he was given punishment by the teacher. Mr. Frank, who was a science teacher, arrives there and meets Taplo. Conversation starts. Now between these two, between Taplo and Mr. Frank, a conversation starts. You can see the picture. One is Frank and smaller is Taplo. Both of them talk a lot about Mr. Crocker Harris. He asked first Mr. Frank, a science teacher, asked Taplo his name and many other several questions. What is his name and what the subject does he study, and in which standard does he study? Taplo told him that he studies in the lower 5th standard and is about to get his result. Expresses his desire to join science stream if his remove is favorable. Remove means here, students, result. Means Taplo says that if his result is favorable, in his favor, he will like to join science stream. And science is more interesting than this mug. Here he indicates this mug. This mug means Agamemnon, the play, a tragic play, Greek play, which was written by Aeschylus, a Greek playwright. And next is we get all the slackers. Here Frank says when he hears that he likes to take science, he wants to join science stream. He says, he comments, we get all the slackers. Here it means that हमें हमेशा ऐसे लापरवाह बच्चे ही मिला करते हैं, ठीक है, जो पढ़ने के इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होते हैं, ऐसे बच्चे उसको पढ़ाने के लिए मिलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज while Frank hates science, he tells Taplo that he teaches what he teaches he hates, means he doesn't like science. And next is, students, the assignment has been given here. Why did Taplo have to stay back at school on the last day of the term? Here you are to tell why he was asked to stay at the last of the day after school hours, because he did not join one day in the last week. And next, which stream did Taplo like to take after getting removed? Means after getting his remove, what subject will he like to prefer, what subject would he like to take? And next is we get all the slackers who said this statement and why did Mr. Frank say this statement. Yes, students, I hope you must have understood, and we will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.